Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to post a threads on Threads app. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply now click on the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply write something. You can write up to 500 words or something, or you can add photos, or you can click your picture, or you can add anything that you seen here, or you can also add by tapping on add to thread to add another thread in one thread. And after write the threads, so you can now tap on post at the middle right side of the screen, and it is a way you can post a threads on thread app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.